Vuomogusi.
Egetaseni Kiandizi TV geoko alibaga ayumwanchumo ligereria ase amaya chinsa isato chabona batuko nyare kobago kumuganeria mamumino oyo koibolete kirokendo mwanchogo emarago baya bono happy women's day gwetera se namba ya SMS yera setiriago abo igo gwetera se mitanda ya itonago sogeri biye marago baya bono ande onsia sogena takoba goko batemero beri ya itokurwa kito kirachinga kibune chindi noko semerenga nogena takoba kwego kya kwemanya nabo igo kogendra kobo gochengera emero berio buna togenda takoba to kwaregania kurumambi goikachinga kibune chichinsa isato chabono botuka sentundende tokomera namunaye asembe kirenge kenene gyuko manyanganya ko bagwatika namange togende tokoba to kwaregania kurwa semesa ya ito yama yagwira nanda seka kitali gatambe nera ko to sangama naye. Ndizi TV News Digital mwanchu morigali yangu wetera senchera ya Facebook, YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera se website www.ndizitv.net na boko bwatia amaya aya na boigemero beri togena tokabato kwariganiria imegata seni Kiandizi TV Sara Momanyi nera tokopatana na monera kwene kiabona chibicha moneriogi chago chira senchera yo boikero litera nenkoro kwa Josephat Mesingo kwarigali nyara ko batoko sangama naye kuromo chakano goikero moelio lituko linene ya Women's Day ni gwanyara ko bali gochengerwa ase ense engi masaba bwatani awa bana na baibuli boigo banyara ko babako bwatuka cyucumbe cyabo gucya sabancho babo nako baganeria amaya selituko eliria reme county ya Kisinigo omwemsie wegodi eveno stivarika boigatanyara ko bago sekero isiko chinga kinyara ko bagako bwatuka ujumbe yokubaganiria amaya ababa bakubwatekana namaya bagenda tukabagakora asebinyoro ahiryo kwendekia buna ensenyere ko bage kwegendera ni abaganiria amaya abayigo ko basegeta abanyare ko babako bekomokia sobokoreri bwabo bakalituko
Marieta stivarika mwemsebe godi eveno rero neri tukoli nene asensengima go sabanga rero nari kunyara kubanga eshere asegetika nyantrogo buno mwakolia asogo chengira litukolia mama rero Mother's Day aba mama bwensi ongera kwenu gasima okora ningia mongino kubogolia omwana emitini kyanda umanyite nki omwana atageteriri arenda ande kere iboiru omurenda twabaire eskenene aseritikerire ino onde bwensi gwate mama mwabo gwatonde kegori kya mama mwabo mwa musabera amaya ase litukolia lero mama nande tokonyora mama onde onga mama mino nonyere mama talinga iminute ngori okuibolete bweka onde bwensi oleke gori kya mama mino oyo mama mino tigatutwara maskani naba mama tobasike mbia asogo toibora kyageronde tayo abantu abange toibeire gwetera aba mama igo nabatata lito ndicherike igo mukuminga singintora neri aba mama liarenge neri rigo chokokeria batata neri tondikaro igo nande kubatebinga kotebi aba mama mambi munyore abana kugenda bale skuru nembura terasira mubabogorerie mubabekere kiswenta buya yakogera nonyimbura yakanire igo terasira nande bonekere yakanire nande ngochere na amarweirande yakogera kere guchigosena nane gwata amarweire twirinde komenta nayo matenga nande nembura ya sali chindagira chinyinge kali kandagira kali karogake turi gakega kaigo tosange nonde egere tubwatirane asama tukaya mabagweta egere tubwatirane togende gusiyento motwe n'abantu baibe no tagende motwe
mwanchumu rigereria ng'atwa gotebia naye nore nobosi bore marago baya bono ndoche bachakire gutoma chi mes nyingi kigima kurigereria inde chi jumbe jeino habo bagendete kuba bakuganiria aba baba babo gose aba mama babo happy Mother's Day ritukoria rengeri nene kigima riogo chengera obokoreri obiyana boigemero berio yabo yabo tambe bagendete kuba kwenekia kachinga kibale ase oboiko bwenze wetera ase enamba ya SMS yire ase tibiago abogosanga anene ujumbe yago nabo gwetera se mitandao itemarago baya bono to rigererie hayage na tukoba gwatakani go muraibwense Daktari William Ruto litkolera nyara koba wikirana ase omuyega oyo bwori nyari koba okwariganirwa bwechi gosori chimanyekarete na International School Sports Federation Cross Country Championship nyara koba okorekana asensemo eri ya Ngong Race Coast County ya Nairobi no moro bili nyare ko bago go chireta chinse gwetane merongo ebere ichenyara ko bachikoleta abana babo imense ya Kenya nabo igo kwenekia kuna banyare ko baba gwesona nene chigo sori chema minyoko bunenchira ye moyo go segeta chitaranda cyabo nigo rutobo igo hanyare ko baga kogokera okobwatera na amone chinse cyo cyanyara ko bachiko botuma abana babo go cha asense ya Kenya asate bringe serikali ya Kenya nere no bosibore ko gendera kwarigania chigo sori.
On behalf of the people and government of Kenya, let me take this opportunity to welcome friends from the 21 countries who have come to participate in these championships. Welcome to Kenya, welcome to Nairobi. This is the home of humanity. Please feel at home. To all of you, we welcome you to Nairobi, we welcome you to Kenya. This competition, sponsored by the International School Sports Federation. And Mr. President of the Federation, welcome to Kenya, and thank you for giving Kenya a chance to host these competitions. As you have seen, we have given it our best, and our children from our schools have given it their best. Let me confirm to all of us that what we have here today is not just a competition. It is a celebration of our diversity, a celebration of our children, and a celebration of our talents. That the children that have participated in this celebration from different countries, from different cultures, from different parts of the world, have come together to compete in one race, to demonstrate our humanity, to demonstrate our oneness, and to confirm that the world is becoming a global village and we all belong to that village.
Gati yabarai boiga banyarako bagwikirana somuyega oyigwe chigosori no muwaziri wechisemeze kelima chogu oyo nyarakoba igakogokera amariganyo hayanyarakoba kwene kiwase chigosori echo nanyarabonigo ababuya chigosori chibanyarakoba kwenano abagose bakwegwa ebiegwa nigo boiga machogo nyarakoba gakurie irabune wizara yechisemine chikobage kubeke kiganja elio kwene kiabuna yanyare kobage gosira abana bali bogota chitalanta awanene ase sector elio chigosori.
Kenya can actually host many of such events, and I hope going in the future, Your Excellency, they will be able to give us that opportunity. As we were here yesterday, Your Excellency, with 21 countries, we were also able to say that our participation is not really about winning, but also fostering friendships, exchanging culture, and also uniting the entire nations of the world. And we did indicate to all the participants that Kenya is not only the origin and the cradle of mankind, but also the origin of champions, athletic championships. And I think you have been able to confirm here that indeed Kenyans are champions, and we welcome you all most sincerely. And Your Excellency, we also say those who have come, Kenya is on another level when it comes to hospitality, and they will be able to confirm the time that they will be here in our beloved country. Finally, Your Excellency, we also thank them because yesterday we did a commemoration of the international championships, plant 500 trees. The one you planted today made it 501. That was an indication that each and every one of us is sensitive to what is happening in the entire world about climate change, and that was one major step of mitigating on the adverse and devastating effect of climate change. We thank you, Your Excellency, and we hope that once more we will again have the opportunity of hosting this particular event and thanking all.
Boigo mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ni ganyara kobaga kogokera enchira abana kurwa sense ya Kenya banyara kobago sabanyara kobago korabuya sechi gosori chyo sabanyara kobaga kwene kiabuna ense ya Kenya nene a sechi gosori chimamenyeko nigo botambe ekoba ababuya sebiganyara kobago segete serikali banyara kobago kubwatera na amone chi serikali chechi county ilikwene kia una banyara kobago segeta chitalanda ni biego ai bigena to bikorokana a sechi skuru.
Your Excellency, even as you congratulate those who are still finishing, sports is about resilience, is about discipline, it's about that undying spirit, that whether you're number one or not, that you end up completing the task. So we congratulate all of you. We want to encourage the Ministry of Education, led by the CS and the PS, to continue investing in these children, together with the Ministry of Sports. Even after this function, let us find them where they are in their schools. Let us see their diets, their training regime, because these are the champions of today and the champions of tomorrow.
Magega ya yeni gomra ibense Dr. William Ruto anyara koba wikirana somo sangrekana wa masabu nyara koba korekana se kanisa ya sita Mubali Road me county ya Nairobi ga ukwana kurwa chinse mecho ni Ruto boigo anyara koba gwakera kanisa ya sita mna boigo chikanisa chionzi mense ya Kenya ngambi ya soko bwaterana amone serikali na kwena na obokonye go chia sebali banyara koba gwakwa na obokongu bwa etoigo yanyare koba koletwa amone mbura enyinge nonye nabo higoro yoko igoro gwe skuru litkolyangyo igoro to boigo anyare koba koburia bible babe maiso na kwenekia urabanyare koba bako basira na kobasegeta abana babo banyare koba wikirana asechi skuru asechinga kechi boigo anyare koba kobule chikanisa chionsi nababwata ni banyare koba bago sabera abana babo chingaki echibagenda tokoba kuyarigania asokwirana skuru nago chaka chisemi chabo ase etamu ya kabere.
I have heard you speak about what's going on in our country, the floods and the challenges that we have, and I really sincerely want to thank you for praying for our country. What you're doing to support the people in Mai Mahiu and different other areas is very welcome. I also want you to think about our environment and to participate in the tree planting exercise that's going on around Kenya. And finally, let me say, our children are opening school on Monday, tomorrow. I want you to pray over our children so that when they go to school, they be safe and they can get what education offers, and they can also be mentored into responsible citizens. And finally, when I heard Pastor Edith say, "It is well," even in the midst of many challenges, it is well. And I am reminded of the words of Daniel 11:32, that says, "But those who know their God, they will be strong and they will do great exploits."
Togotikana noroboti urwayo mraibwense William Ruto ni gomugabana we county ya Embu Sicily Mbarira nyale kwa koboria chibunge chionse gose bunge enenen habigo elia yesene to nyale kwa bakorigererie buya omoswanda buko bwatoka enibogo chiasa chi county asekerengo kyomubaro bw'abantu nabo igobonene bwe county ko kwana litkorero asumuyaga bwa masabo nyara ko bokorekana sensemo area ya Embu ni gombalire oganyare ko bagotebanga ko bwato kwa eni bokorengana no mubaru bw'abantu yurachi ko bogoko eni kenga chi county chiri chibwato mubaru omonene bo igonyare ko bachiko nyoreni byo engiya nabo igenyinge irachi ko bagego ikerania amagendro ase obokaliri bwe chi county.
While we agree some counties are very big, we also want you to appreciate that counties are also heavily populated, kama hii ya Embu County. And so as we review the revenue sharing formula, we governors from Mount Kenya are saying the formula must begin to make sense of the 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling. Ndio pesa ingie huku kwetu kama kwingine. There are some counties, Your Excellency, that are getting up to 14 billion a year. Mimi napata maximum 6 billion. Almost 3/4, almost half of that money inaenda kulipa wage bill. Ukiangalia ile nimeachwa nayo ya development, it is very little. So we are asking for the review of that formula, and we want our numbers to make sense and to count in the next formula. The second thing, Your Excellency, tuko na kitu inaitwa equalization fund. Equalization fund inaangalia those places that have been left behind by development for many, many years, and they need to catch up with the rest of the country. Now, the most interesting thing is in Embu, half of Embu is ASAL, arid and semi-arid, Bere North and Bere South. But ile equalization fund ikienda kupatianwa, Bere North, Bere South is never considered. It is considered that the whole of Embu iko sawa. And what I'm requesting for is from Bere North and Bere South to be considered under equalization fund. Nipate pesa conditional grant from national government ambayo imeandikwa hiyo pesa inaenda straight kwa Bere North na Bere South.
Togoska motwe ni gomugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo litkolera nyarako bakora barayivande be county ya soko bwatoka obokonyi ochia se abamenye be county ya banyarako bakwa kwa nobokongu bogo kurura gose bweto igo yo yanyarako bagekoreto kubwatoka no gutokwembura enyinge goikera bono gati ya obokonyi ubanyarako bakoena nano obokonyi bwechindagera gati ya bebituma na boigo ama butechinyeni ayara chikobaga kubasira na boigo kwene kinga banyarako baba kwegendera ni ganyarako baga kolira boigo kuboria serikali enene hinyarako beko bwatera ne serikali chichi county anasi county chire chigene tokoba chigwetera amakongu yeto igo likwenekia buna abamenyi bechi county jo abanyarako bagwako no bokongu banyarako baba kwegenderia aboigo kurotota obugima bwabo bwakira litko.
Probably the rains are going to subside in another 3 weeks or so, but because of climate change, weather has also become an unpredictable phenomenon. We cannot predict the weather with the kind of regularity that you would wish to do. But the case being that of human suffering and destruction of property and the flooding of farmlands, we have to make certain interventions to make sure that our people don't suffer. One of the points that was made, which I think is important to note, because of the backflow from Lake Victoria, there are a lot of activities along the lakefront which have been affected adversely. And more so some of our water projects and dams and pumps, water pumps along the lake. Quite a number of them have been submerged. Even away from the lake, a place like Mauna Dam, you know, the pumps have been flooded, and it takes a lot of time and interventions to make the situation come back to normal. What we are hoping is that with more and more awareness about climate change, we should plan ahead, knowing that vagaries of the weather are going to continue with us, until we make this smart climate action to make sure that such flooding do not affect our people in terms of damage to property.
Togos kama tu serikali yense ya Germany se kiombekelia kia European Union hiyo Kenya lekoboge kwena na obokonyi w'ishiringi chi milioni 100 ochia sense ya Kenya hechio chira chikoba chigoso asike ganja yekiombekelia kia Red Cross bunenchira eyemo yo kwena na obokonyi ochia ase abakenya abagena tokova bagwa kono muchando bweto igiyaletirwe amono gutwa kwa embra nyinge bagukwana litikolia rero omwambassador wense ya Germany go cha asense ya Kenya igatebire buna ense ya Germany negendera kobage kwirwa na boigo kobeko kobwaterana kwa bena monense ya Kenya bunenchira ya moyo gosirana ase obokori bokera lituko aboyo kwene kia buna uchumi echinse chibere yanyare kobego tingwa.
We are here to stand with you at this time. We have been able to provide some support, 100 million shillings through the UN and European institutions, and are very pleased today, due to the tremendous work of the Kenyan Red Cross and your volunteers, to announce a 10 million shilling grant for families to support the families and assist them in Western Kenya, so that they can begin just to try and not even recover, but live with the realities and come out of them that are here today.
We will look into ways and means how to link the institutions in Germany with the institutions and the Red Cross Kenya in order to be better prepared if the next catastrophe comes down, because we have to be realistic. This will not be the last flooding in this country.
As we speak now, more than 55,000 households displaced in the 40 counties that are affected, with the worst displacement in Nairobi. We look forward to working with you in terms of strengthening the architecture for disaster risk management in the country in the long term, and for better responding to emergencies in the future.
Kubwatakana no gotwa kwa embura enyinge mense ya Kenya yeire anene gukole ugwa kwa okonene guchia asigati yaba Kenya ni gono omobunge bwensemo ya Sako Dido Ali Rasa nyarekoba kobole serikali nyarekobe kwirige tambo kiro kiabangana kwenekya bunanyarekoba gegoena na ogosira ogoikira no guchia saba Kenya abagene tokoba gwetera amakungu kwana litikolia rero ime county ya Isiolo chingaki arekoba gagosira omurobelio bwo koena na chibesa gosomo chango ochia se ekyombe gosebyombe bya abana chintakana se county yo ni gora soboiganya rekoba ga kwenekya bunanonya nabonige serikali gende tokoba gegotemako naboigo koena na obokonyi sebiganya rekoba kobole serikali chi county nyarakoba chikobwatera na serikali enene eligoikera amagani yaba Kenya abanyarekoba bagwakwa amuno muchando oyubogotwa wembure nyinge.
Nafikiri sehemu mingi ya Kenya imeathirika sababu ya janga la maji kuchukua mabomba, makazi, manyumba, hata watu wengine wamepoteza maisha. Nafikiri wakati unaona rais mwenyewe anajitoa, makamu wake anajitoa, magovernors wanajitoa, hiyo ni kuonyesha Kenya iko kwa kazi na watu wanafanya kazi.
Omo Chief Justice Martha Koome ni ganyarekoba ga koenekeria serikali enene buna ekyombekeria giekigambiro sensemo yekigambiro mense ya Kenya gechikoba gekobwatira na mone serikali eligoikirania ekirenga kyogosimekemete wetania bilioni 15 wikiro mwaka 2030 berego kwa litikolia rero nigo Koome boigo anyarakoba gagotanga gwetera asobo simekibwemete igense ya Kenya anyarakoba ge koira libagari ne likwenekia unanyarakoba ge kurwania esegi yogonchoreria kwelire.
Been very deliberate and very intentional about planting trees, greening the judiciary. We call it greening the judiciary, where we have also adopted other methods of saving the environment, like solar using solar power instead of using electricity, because that way we save on the money we pay electricity to do other things. We are also adopting what we are calling green justice sentencing. Instead of sentencing people to go to prison and lounge in the prison, we are sentencing them to community service, where they can do tree planting and where they can do cleaning the hospitals, cleaning the markets, painting the public offices. We are also partnering with the county governance so that they can supervise those who have been committed to community service, to ensure that we do community work instead of being incarcerated in.
Oroboti ururwayo mo Chief Justice omwancho morigeria Martha Koome no toko yakira omosmari amaya chinsa to chiabono botukoli tukolia Jumapili ngwakira mbia mana so kwene kinga nogene tukabogosanga mona intwe emerobeli itukurwa kiete min wael mbaro rona nyara ko wingo bolia liboli rinene atwata benga taseni Kiandizi TV gia kwere libagalia bene na nyara ko bogosanga anene ujumbe yago engia guchia se omwancho bogo sema mumino emarago ya bono chinga kinsengi meale ko bage guchengera Mother's Day narege ko tangalisha pikirine Liandizi kurwa bobasi onyoni agotabanga happy day to all mothers meyense ya Kenya ne asorongorwa gusi happy International Women's Day Nicodemus ototi kurwa chisamo chiri chia kyogora oteva happy International Women Day ochiase omwanchoye emarogo baya bono Nicholas nabwango mwatora kwalengelieta narigeganero goteva nere Caroline Mura agotevanga happy International Women's Day gochia ase mamo mwabo Priska Kemuma Joel Omare naboigo agotevanga litko elirigia nigare ko baga koriganeria omwanchoye Janet naboigo mamo mwabo Agnes emarogo baya bono Paul Muragwa kuruchise mochia South Magranga agotevanga happy International Women's Day gochia se Jacqueline naboigo mamo mwabo Lois Nyanchama Kefa Osoro kuru count 047 agotevabu na ujumbe goseli tukelia lero igare komoganeria omwanchoye tarigetielieta kurende gagotevanga igakomoganeria happy International Women's Day nainche kurugaiga nabonko baganeria aba baminto omongna mamo minto Lois Nyanchama ande onsia sole na kuganiria litkoligia yaba baba ande onsia sole na bigo aba baba baitobo spia samore igwenga nto baganiri amayase emiremo emiya mogo korana kuganire botuko byo mwancho morigereria botwara oborigereria obya chingaki Sara Momanyi nara koba kwene kiabuna chibitamulero kichago chira senchira yobo ikanalite na goro kwa Josephat Amisi na kuganirie obotuko obotero na bwo borigereria obya bwe meroborio Kiandizi TV.